Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Deutschland, Germany. This is Cup Noodles Soba, Peking duck. This is really neat. They won an award for these cups. They're plastic, pour spout, really neat. I've given my sister a whole bunch of them because she likes German stuff, so I gave her a bunch of them. I did like 5 reviews of them at one point, and it's like, hey, here. Oh, that's right though, because there's a sachet. Okay. So the pot I usually use for this is dirty. Or I usually would do it in this and then I would pour it into it, and I already spilled that bad enough, so. Where does it say minutes? I'm looking for English. Please, give me a little English. This one say minuten. Ah, the kitchen, hot stuff. There's hot stuff in here. How you doing, Mimi? I want to say it's 3 minutes, man. I'm going with 3 minutes. Out of the kitchen, turn down your tablet, go. They are being violently bad today. Miles has been really keen on that word, no. I kind of like it too, a lot of the time, honestly. Is this thing recording? Yeah, it's recording. It's funny, sometimes when this thing goes to sleep and this thing goes to sleep, it just doesn't want to push the button in this crap anyway. He speaks. Let's listen. Number 268, the secret to selecting a good beef fillet is to look for a cut from a medium-sized cow with large loins. I make it a habit to go into the freezer room and choose from the meat still hanging on the hooks. Like at your house? Where? You go into the restaurant and you say, I would like to go into the freezer room and pick the meat myself, as I don't think you're qualified to do so. A funny guy. Or rather, Ando Momofuku-san. Learned that while I was doing a podcast. I did a podcast the other day. That was fun. It's called Ramen Hunter. Look them up on Spotify. If you want to get the skinny on some like high-level ramen junk going on in Japan, boy, these guys are hardcore. Big time. Yeah. Made a new friend on there, a couple honestly, and yeah, good stuff. Check out the Ramen Hunter on Spotify today. And we're about out of eggs, and I'm out of hot sauce. So after my wife gets home, I have to walk to the store. I've been walking a lot lately, like more than my usual walking a lot, because I've started competing with the Fitbit again. So far already today I've got just over 10 miles, and yesterday I did 15, day before I did 15, let's see, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and it's Tuesday. Alright. Is that really it is. It's beeping at me. I mean, that's beeping at me. Yeah. Whoa! Why are you beeping at me? Oh no. Oh no. So the music thingy's beeping at me. Oh well. We're in trouble, ladies and gentlemen. Here, let me work this magic. As there is magic to work. Peking duck yakisoba. I wonder how this is gonna be. There's some options here. Can be hopeful. I hope it's good. But let's see, it's 12:14. I got a weird episode coming up next. Not really all that weird, but one that people have flipped out about an awful lot. A domestic variety that have had people just like act like absolute wackos. They're like, it's so gross, I almost threw up and I almost puked and blah blah blah. I'll be the judge of that because I had the chicken flavor of this one recently and it wasn't bad, but this one's the cup and I think they don't like the cup. So we'll see. I don't know how this one's gonna be. Definitely, I'm not getting a scent that I like. And I like duck, but it's kind of got something off about it. Let's find out. Cheers. I see where you're going. I see where you're going. I see what you're trying to do, but it just doesn't work exactly as I would like. It's not. I'll say it's compelling. And that, for me, that's a compliment. If something tastes compelling, that means I'm not like saying it's off-putting. I'm not saying I like it, but I'm saying it invites me to want to have more of it so I can understand it better. I absolutely hate this pot, by the way. Somebody was telling me, you need to do this experiment when you're making eggs. You need to take these 3 different sized eggs. You need to use different sized pots. You need to have ones that have been out of the fridge, ones that haven't been out of the fridge. Oh my God, it went on and on and on. It's like, dude, why don't you do that? What I do generally works. I'm sorry, but I mean, it didn't work today, but oh my God. Here's what you need to do. That generally like makes people not want to do it. This is what you must do. Oh, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna tell you what to do. Okay. No, I think he had good intentions, but it's just like, no. It's like the idea that my eggs crack while we're trying to hard or soft boil them right when they hit the water. They're like, oh, they need to like warm up longer. And it's like, well, yeah, but that's gonna change the cooking time. And I don't wanna sit and tweak with something like that at all. That's like way more effort than I want to put in. Damn beeping speaker. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's beeping because it's low on juice. And my big battery brick that I usually charge it. Well, I can just use this one. I'm gonna charge that one up. Hold on. Get. There we go. Yeah, I get these big old 20,000 milliwatt hour anchor bricks. Ooh. And I put stickers all over them. Woo! The other one's a rapid charge. This one charges way slow. Oh no! My wife forgot her brick at home. That sucks. She was like, I just gotta remember not to forget. It's like, oh no. And she told me that, so that kind of immediately meant that I needed to remember not to let her forget too. We're a team. Well, as a team, we forgot. Anyways, let's let Rotato work its magic. Work its magic. One more to go. Oh. See you in a few.